So, what's up guys? If you remember, I already did a video on this 2 months ago when we had a blizzard, and now we're having another blizzard, so yeah. So this is what it looks like outside. Pretty big. If you remember the last one, it looked exactly like this, but the last one it didn't have school, so it didn't look as intense, but it looked more intense, but you should see my school. It is fully covered in snow, and everyone stamped on it, and now it's not covered in snow, but yeah, this is what my front yard looks like. So this is gonna be a short video because I'm too lazy, and this isn't gonna be like the last one where I did an awesome ass montage. This is just gonna be a short video, and I don't know, if I'm not lazy, I might do a montage. I probably won't. So yeah, enjoy. Once something interesting happens, I'll come back to you. Bye. By the way, on the last video, 2 months ago, I did say I was gonna reveal my Instagram. I changed my mind because I'm too lazy, so peace out. So what's up guys? It's been like an hour now and nothing interesting has happened, so bye. By the way, I'm just kidding. I always do a montage.